Organic matter is one of the primary constituents of soil that really is good for any kind of a soil. It doesn't make any difference whether you have a clay or you have a sand. It'll do something good for you. It makes the nutrients available, holds moisture, reduces erosion, also actually decomposes in the soil to produce nutrients that are available in the soil by reacting with the soil and reducing the pH of a soil. Organic matter is an ideal way to take a high pH soil a little more towards the acid side. Of course, on the other hand of that is if you have an acid soil, you want to add something to increase the pH of the soil to get it closer to around a pH of 6 or in that area. And most of the time, lime is used for that. So depending on how you look at lime, organic may not be able to increase the pH of a soil, but on the other hand, you can definitely decrease the pH of a soil from say an 8 down to a 6 by using organic matter.